Roger Stone will face sentencing this week after all.
A federal Washington judge rejected a last-ditch attempt by Stone's lawyers Tuesday to delay his sentencing in light of President Trump's public laments about the merits of the Republican trickster's criminal case.
The decision by Judge Amy Berman Jackson paves the way for Stone to be sentenced Thursday as planned over his conviction on charges that he lied to Congress and tampered with a witness to obscure his and Trump's knowledge of WikiLeaks' Russia-backed plot to help the president's 2016 candidacy.
Jackson's ruling came after Trump took to Twitter and claimed Stone's conviction should be thrown out.
The whole deal was a total scam. If I wasn't president, I'd be suing everyone all over the place, but maybe I still will. Witch hunt, the belligerent president tweeted.
In a conference call after the tweet, Stone's lawyers asked Jackson to push back the sentencing while their client's request for a new trial makes its way through the court system.
Jackson smacked down the request and said that would not be a prudent thing to do. However, Jackson suggested she may delay the execution of Stone's sentence until the request for a new trial is resolved.
Stone's conviction became a political football after all four career prosecutors who handled his case resigned last week in the wake of Attorney General William Barr stepping in and reversing their recommendation for the Trump confidant to serve 7 to 9 years behind bars.
Via some of his top officials, Barr instead suggested Jackson give Stone a far less substantial sentence, even though the initial recommendation was modeled after federal guidelines.
Barr's extremely unusual interference in the case came after Trump tweeted that the initially proposed sentence for Stone was horrible and very unfair.
The AG complained in an interview with ABC News last week that Trump was making his job impossible by tweeting about politically sensitive cases. Still, Barr stepped in and overruled his own career prosecutors in the Stone matter.